Hi, welcome to VRABS. This is our Hyundai Santa Fe. I'm just going to show you around the car, show you a couple of features. Starting off with the headlights. Auto on xenon headlights with the LED strip on the outsides. Coming on to the alloys. Big 19-inch alloys, no scuffs or scrapes or anything like that. And a huge amount of tread on the wheel there. Gorgeous red colour with minimal stone chips on the front. It is a used car, so there will be a few. Just pointing one out there. Coming to the left wheel, huge amount of tread again, and no scuffs or scrapes that I can see. Oh, just a small scuff there, but nothing major. Looking down the profile, can't see any dents or scratches at all, and the nice big side steps to help get in the car. Nice little wind buffeting bits of plastic there, as well as privacy glass for the rear, and again no marks there, and loads of tread on the rear tyre. Coming around to the rear of the car, nice sleek design to it, as well as the four-wheel drive system. Inside we've got a 7-seater system, as well as ISOFIX for the rear. Again, no scratches or dents that I can see in the profile of the car. No scratches or scrapes there, as well as a load of tread on the rears as well. Looking into the rear, nice 3 individual seats there, which are adjustable. Also with a armrest, as well as cup holders. Panoramic roof, which does electrically come back as well, so I'll show you. Keyless entry. Also with the fob, which is keyless start as well. Multifunction leather steering wheel with an optional cruise control and volume settings, as well as phone and menu settings. Differential lock, as well as hill descent control. Jumping in the car, we've got big media display in the centre with a satellite navigation, as well as Bluetooth audio. FM and AM radio. Down here we've got the climate control with air conditioning. Got our charging ports and USB and auxiliary down here, as well as heated seats for passenger and the driver. Power steering buttons, self-park, as well as electric handbrake and auto hold feature, so when you come to the satellites it literally just holds the car for you. Up top we've got the controls for the sunroof. Which goes all the way back. Also sunglasses holder there. As well as sun visor for the top as well. Nice finish to the leather seats. Front and rear electric windows. If you'd like any more information, feel free to give us a call on 01244 752 760. Thank you very much for watching.